waist, got a trunk full of stones. Ride straight through the slums, calculating all my funds. Ain't shit that I ain't done. Bitch, my pull-up game stupid, my pull-up game dumb. Got 30 on my waist, got a trunk full of stones. Ride straight through the slums, calculating all my funds. Ain't shit that I ain't done.
This nigga Young Kane, I'm posted in my spot, you know what I'm saying, cooling, thugging in, loving and watching the game, you know what I'm talking about, everyday type shit. Hey, you know what I'm saying, my CD coming next month, nigga, in it to win it, you know what I'm talking about, my solo shit, my click shit coming this summer, cool, killers out of Louisiana, me and my nigga Gat, you know what I'm saying, features for my nigga Micho, Dayo, KB, the same team, never switching up, I don't fuck with you extra ass niggas, I'ma just be real, you know what I'm talking about, hey, the shit. Niggas talking like niggas doing this shit for play, nigga, the album coming. Real street shit, all beats, original, everything, shit, eating, Young Kane, ripping that bitch, you know what I'm saying, how I do it every day. But niggas, for the niggas talking, I'ma spit some shit, you know what I'm saying, I'm talk just cause I do this shit, fuck you know what I'm saying? I done cuffed some bad bitches, I done fucked some ratchet hoes. I been broke with no money, had to hustle in the cold. Couldn't afford to buy a brick, I had to start with 2 O's. Turn 100 to a stack on the way to a bankroll. This track like shit real, can't stick to the code. But I can't fuck with you niggas that told on T-Low. I ain't shooting slugs, bitch, I'm a thug. I'm still in that gray Chevy thuggin' posted up. Right on Elm Street, with Lil Tiny next to me. Rolling up a sweet with hot boy clutching heat. We do this shit for real, shout out to 7-3. My boy KB will knock the words out your teeth. They gon' T-Lee and had you laid up for weeks. Nigga extendo so long, think it hold 33. Hell, Scottie Pippen endorsing my heat. Nigga, yeah. We do this shit. Shout out to all them goons out of UTG. Nigga, all my niggas locked up in that penitentiary. We do this shit real niggas out the east. From track life, we stack twice, we get this money. If your sack right, don't act right, you get... Hey, nigga, Young Kane. We do this shit. All my goons, they shoot through shit. Pimp hoes and move them bricks, I promise, nigga, we do this shit. You ain't new to this, we ain't new to this. Fuck you and who you with. Goon squad, that be my clique. I never snitch, I never switch. I'm in it to win it. And if you throwing crosses, we aiming at your bosses. I ain't taking no losses. Nigga, I'm a dog, nigga. Straight from that boo, nigga, been in that D, wherever, nigga know about me. Track Life Kane, nigga, I been out here. You know what I'm saying? Young Kane, nigga, in it to win it. Be real, hey. Be ready, you know what I'm saying? Something cool, killers out of Louisiana, nigga. Drone block shit, nigga. Hey, I'm in the hood every day. Fuck with me.